just a little while, but I love him the same way as I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight, though I want to hold you in my arms tonight. I wouldn't take the chance, 'cause it won't be right. And maybe when we meet again some other time, 'cause tonight I'll only share my love with him. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Let's give it up to the rhythm section. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Oh, believe me,